at 76 Media.
So we are in Italy, in Varese, which should give you a clue as to what we're riding. So this is the MV Brutale. Is the anniversary model, so there's only making 500 of these. It's essentially a Brutale RR with a lot of cosmetic tweaks and really lovely detailed touches and finishes to give it this exclusivity, which MV do exceptionally well. But it's also just a good opportunity to jump on a Brutale 800. 3-cylinder, 140 horsepower, awesome sounded, awesome looking bike. So why not come to Italy and ride it? Oh, a bit tighter than I thought. How good does that sound? MV just make beautiful. Oh, give the cyclist some room. There's not many manufacturers that just give you that noise, and MV just do it so well. Probably the leaders in it. It just sounds. I don't want to change gear because it just sounds bloody awesome. It just feels like a little agile, aggressive little animal. In a naked chassis. So when MV say, do you want to come out to Italy and ride a limited edition Brutale? There's no answer to that, is there? It's gotta be yeah. Yes, the Brutale is just a naked race bike. It loves this kind of stuff. It's kind of a bit one trick pony, not the most friendly, but it is great fun. Oh, it's just, if you want a bike to wake you up in the morning and you're looking at the naked market, Brutale 800. If you want a bike that's a pain in the ass in town, then maybe not the 800. But if you want a bike that is just so rewarding to ride when you thrash it, just great. I mean, the dash is beautiful. The switch gear, I love how I could soften and harden the steering damper here. They could have just put a normal steering damper on the side here, but no, they've got this beautiful setup. It is a stunning piece of art, I guess. It is a stunning motorcycle. You feel special when you ride an MV, as you should. It's expensive. But yeah, Even the old logo, you see the old MV logo, because it's the anniversary model. It's not got the new MV logo, that's the old logo. Cool, isn't it? And it's like not just sticking on, that's like lacquered underneath. The paint is just beautiful. How nice is Italy? How bad are cobbles? Yeah, it's pretty bad. So heading back to the factory, which is right next to the lake. That is the factory that the bikes are still made at. The factories that we started making, what was it, 80 years ago? It couldn't be any more Italian. We got Marzocchi suspension, we got Brembo brakes, Pirelli tyres. It is so Italian, and I really, really like it. There's comfier bikes, there's easier to manage bikes, there's better fueled bikes, there's a lot of bikes that got more going for it and cheaper than the Brutale 800. It's limited edition anniversary model. But are any as fun? Maybe not. Has any got as much character? Maybe not. Any as soulful and as good looking and desirable? Maybe not. If money was no objects and you wanted the best looking middleweight 800 triple 140 horsepower in your garage, it's going to be a good day, isn't it, when you open your garage and you see this. Even better when you knock it back a few gears and let it sing. There is something special about owning an MV and riding one, and it's kind of hard to put it into words, because in many ways there's no reason you should buy one. But then you don't buy with your brain all the time, do you? If you did, we'd all be driving Volkswagens or playing golf. Sorry golfers, probably a bad example.